Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn job preferences, career profile guide step by step clearly. Open LinkedIn on your computer or mobile app and make sure you are logged in. Go to your profile by tapping your photo or selecting view profile from the menu. Look for the Open to section near the top of your profile header. Click or tap the Open to button and choose Finding a New Job. If you do not see Open to, go to the Jobs tab and select Preferences or Job Preferences. In the Job Titles field, type the exact roles you want, using common industry titles. Add multiple job titles if you are flexible, but keep them closely related. In the Locations section, enter the cities or regions where you want to work. Turn on Remote if you are open to remote work, and choose your preferred remote type if available. In Start Date, select when you are ready to begin, such as immediately or within a month. In Employment Type, choose options like full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, internship, or volunteer. In Job Locations, choose whether you are willing to relocate if LinkedIn provides that option. In the Job Preferences section, review your workplace type choices like on-site, hybrid, and remote. Set your job alerts for the roles and locations you selected to receive relevant notifications. Scroll to the Visibility section and decide who can see you are open to work. Choose Recruiters only if you want a more private setting focused on hiring managers using LinkedIn Recruiter. Choose All LinkedIn members only if you are comfortable showing the green Open to Work frame publicly. If you choose Public Visibility, confirm whether you want the photo frame displayed on your profile picture. Add or update your job title keywords so they match what recruiters search for. Check your About section and ensure it supports your target roles with a clear value statement. Update your Experience section so your most relevant accomplishments appear first and use measurable results. Refresh your skills list by adding skills required in the job descriptions you want. Reorder your top skills so the most important ones are visible, and request endorsements if appropriate. Update your Featured section with a portfolio, project links, presentations, or case studies if you have them. Go back to Jobs and Open Application settings to confirm your resume and contact details are current. Review your job-seeking preferences one more time for spelling, locations, and employment types. Save your changes and make sure LinkedIn confirms your preferences have been updated. Test your setup by searching for your target job title and checking if the results match your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.